Every door tells a story. At Love That Door, we make sure it's one of authenticity, character, and bold personality. You never get a second chance at a first impression. Our doors are designed to make an impression at first glance and years to come. Now, when it comes to offering turnkey solutions, that is something that you can rest assured you are going to receive when you work with Love That Door. When you choose a product from Love That Door, you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing a partner that is going to see things through all the way through to success. It all comes down to a 3-step process, so you have nothing to worry about. Our first, from design consultation, which is when 50% of your payment is going to be due, the remaining 40% will be due at the time that we are calling you to schedule your installation, and then that leaves the final payment being 10% due at the time of scheduling for your final touch-up. So you can be sure you have nothing to worry about. We're not going to have a contractor that starts a project and then leaves. You're going to be left with an entryway that speaks. Make sure you visit lovethatdoor.com and visit our blogs where you can see some of the most frequently asked questions, a lot of great resources that you can learn more about the products we offer, and also some of the other solutions that are available to you.